I'm going to make this object more complicated, and then we could mess around with it more, and I think that will help you understand. So instead of having an array of strings, I'm going to do an array of objects. So let's say Spider-Man, right? Spider-Man. Actually, wait. Characters. Okay, Spider-Man. And then object again. Colors. Color. Right, I guess. Okay, and then I'm gonna have Batman. Color. Right. Alright, so now I have an object that has an array that has two objects. And each object has a color that I could access. So if I wanted to know Spider-Man color, I would have to do info dot favorite characters at index 0, because then this whole thing is index 0 within this array. And then dot Spider-Man, and it'll bring me in here, and then I do dot color. And this should be red. So I could confirm that if I console log it. It is indeed red. So that is how you access informations within an object. And it's nasty to look at. Like, it's gonna take practice. So I want you to make just random information within your info object and make it as complicated as you want, and then try to access a specific thing within the object and then console log it out, like what I just did. But don't do it my exact same example, just switch it up a little bit. Go into the info object, favorite characters array, and return the thing that has is villain true. So you have options here. You could either do it directly like how I did, or if you want to get fancy, then you could use the dot find.
Right. Constant is villain equals info dot is villain.
Say that again?
You do like constant and then is villain equals info dot is villain.
Okay, so this is trying to access info dot is villain, but it's not along this line, so it won't know what to do. You need to
Do favorite characters.
Okay, yeah. Favorite characters, and then
dot is villain.
Still too soon, because then now you're looking on this line for dot is villain, and it doesn't exist.
So do you do like color?
Colors, so you can't access. I mean, the only things you could access are things that are along this line, which are both objects. So remember, you're in an array right now, which means you need to use
the bracket.
Yeah, bracket. So this is index 0, and this is index 1.
Okay, so put 1.
Okay.
And then dot. What are you looking for again? The color of, the is villain.
Yeah.
Okay. For which character?
Just the one that is true.
Okay. The penguin.
Okay. Oh, that was.
And then dot is villain.
Yep, that's it. So you've now successfully navigated through all of this to find the one thing that you cared about.
And then you do like the console log.
Right. And we see here you got true. So that's good. Cool. It's cool. True or false? What do you say?
False.
Batman?
False.
The Penguin?
I don't know. Sure.
Wait, so are you putting everything into one array now?
Yeah, it's one array, but multiple objects.
Alright.
Hulk. True or false?
Look, is cool? True.
Doctor Strange.
True, I guess. I don't know.
So now we have. Let's take this out. So let's filter off on favorite characters and return the ones that are cool.
So do the constant hero.
Okay, cool heroes.
Cool heroes equals info dot favorite characters dot filter parenthesis character arrow squiggly if and then parenthesis character dot you said is cool.
Yeah.
It is cool.
So I could say triple equals true, or I could just not say anything, and it'll understand that I'm saying triple equals true. But something's wrong. Does not exist on Spider-Man. Whoa, Spider-Man. Okay.
So do you have
Oh, my bad. I did this wrong. It's name and then Spider-Man. And don't that. Same thing for all of these.
Is name a keyword?
Yeah, name is now a key. And then Batman is the value. Actually, there's a faster way. Okay, for this part, go away. Read that. Okay, so that will get us what we want. Okay, now, so if is cool, then return.
it's true.
And now we have this. Okay, so cool heroes are Penguin, Hulk, and Doctor Strange. I think you got it, Amy.
Yay.
Let's say what character of info dot favorite.
Oh, you gotta type of?
Oh yeah, you can do that.
You
Instead
have
of
to
doing
type
it
of?
I++. I mean, you can do it either way, but this is much cleaner.